Hey family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, y'all, we are gonna harvest some bush beans and some pole beans. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you thumbs up,
Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, hit that big bell. And we finna demand it. Don't worry about it. I ain't going great yet, y'all. I ain't going great yet.
It's just conditional.
That's all it is, I gotta get that thing right. But we finna jump on in this video and harvest these beans.
And your girl been sick, okay? But before now, we pruned and we watered everything. So that's why we hot and sweaty and shit.
Yeah.
But we gonna show y'all pruning. Okay, so what we have here is Peaches. You gonna say hey, Peaches?
Hey.
She is pruning all of the dead parts of the onions or garlic. I don't know which one, y'all. I'm tired. Onions, the brown parts. So that's kind of like pruning. The leaves are from the beans and watermelon and cauliflower. So that wasn't bad for pruning. Peaches done pulled up one of the onions, y'all. Don't do that, baby. Mariana, come dig a hole and put that back down in there.
I told you I pulled it just a little bit.
No, we just pulling the brown. We just pruning.
Okay, so pruning. So we can't hold the camera when we pruning. But baby finna get on in here and get some of these beans off of her, y'all. Just pick as many as you can pick and then you can be done. So let's jump on into it. Alright, so the first one is bush beans tender green. So that's the beans we getting first. They say that when it's ready, it looks like this instead of like this, all bulgy, where you can feel the beans. But if you ask me, just growing your food, who cares? So they probably been out here too long, probably some and some ain't.
But you see how much it put on there? Y'all see all them beans?
But the more you pluck them, they like strawberries. You got to keep coming every day. It's going to be a bean ready every day. But the more you take, the more to give you. But like I said, it's like strawberries. But we out here today getting our harvest on. As far as growing the beans, so far so good. Bugs do like beans, so I suggest pruning. Need more. I haven't done diatomaceous earth on beans because the damage from the bugs that are attracted to them don't do like a big significant damage. So y'all, we've been super duper busy. Suki graduated this year, Peaches graduated this year, and Mariana graduated this year.
What?
So it's been super duper busy. Y'all pray for us parents in the comments.
Look at the size of them. That's why we should have been out here and took them, y'all. Y'all see that? But who cares, though? They still gonna get put in a pot.
Surely.
You see how bushy they is, right? You gotta go in there searching.
But the flowers are so pretty. And we have a lot of young ones on here. young pods on here. A lot of young pods. Y'all, the plant does feel fragile, but just get on in there. Get on in there, honey. She'll perk right on back up. Okay, so this the last
Yeah, I think it's just
of this
one.
variety.
I already had got that one earlier. I think I left like 1 or 2 on there.
You butchered this plant.
I
There's
ain't
a lot of
butchered.
little bitty ones on here too.
Yeah, I didn't get the little ones out. Let's just get all the ones. There was a lot on there too.
I'm gonna take that one. Oh, and as far as feeding it, regular tomato veg is good. Y'all see I'm sweet.
You see, I had to drop the camera back down. I ain't know if you wanted to slide on that.
Oh girl. We be getting it working. Alright, so okay, so the next one is asparagus beans. So far so good with them. Okay, they are vining, so you do need a trellis for this type of bean. This is our first time growing beans, y'all. I've stated that before. So this row is asparagus beans, and it does call for a trellis, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see the progress on how they grow. Okay, so the next bean, and keep in mind we direct sold these. The next bean is Burgundy Bush. Oh, some people, you will be sensitive to beans. They are prickly like cucumbers, but I've never had a skin reaction forming on touching cucumbers or watermelons, because they prickly like that too. But for me and some people that may be sensitive, you will need to wear long sleeves and probably some gloves when you're dealing with your beans. Okay, so that was burgundy beans. Let's get a close-up on those over here. The flowers are purple. So far, the green, the bean part is green. But I hear that when you cook it, it's supposed to turn purple, or either turn purple then turn green. So y'all subscribe to the channel so you can be updated on that burgundy bush. And we don't have anything on those. It is bushy, but not as bushy as, oh, look at this, y'all. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And the leaves are purple too. We've been seeing that. But it's finally getting some beans on there, so the beans will turn purple. And when you cook it, it turns green. So stay tuned for that, y'all. All beans. Y'all gotta excuse my voice. I told you your girl wasn't feeling good, okay? Hold on. So, put her hands in the comments for your girl. That was burgundy beans. This is what I was finna say. All beans need something, a stick or something. But you can tell the ones that need to be on a trellis when they pass their stick. The stick is just for support. Okay, so the next one is cowpea black-eyed peas.
Hold on, baby. Hold on. There we go. Okay.
They look like pepper plants. Close up on it. See, that's the most of the little bugs do. They get their little nibbles and they be gone. So pests ain't really bad, but keep them spaced out because they do need airflow. But they like peppers. And I don't have a stick on them. But I think I'm gonna add a stick on them. No fruit yet. They look like peppers. But it's supposed to be black-eyed peas. So we're moving on to the last row. I pick up all dead leaves and sickly looking leaves because I don't want that back in my soil. Now you see down there, it's flower petals and all that stuff down there. That's fine with me. But anything sickly, it got to go. Now this is the yellow bush. Yellow bush wax. It's beautiful too. It's gonna start fruiting because I see a lot of flowers gone. Oh, there's a pod. So it's right on time. And I love how everything is fruiting at different stages. And it's bushy. It's bushier than the regular bush bean. You got some on there. Yellow wax. All right, family, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you want to. Go ahead, bye.
Hit that bell, post notification. You know what's going on. Every time we post a video, we in here. I really appreciate all the support. And we learning this long. I hope you come on with the journey and learn with us.
Yeah.